grateful that you stopped by and
No.
talked with us.
No, that will be. Education is something which only goes as far as possible. I'm happy that I could meet all of you.
It's really like a dream which had never been dreamt before, but it comes true. So for this opportunity that we have today, let's give a round of applause. Point from my side, which my father used to always tell us, and tell all children whenever he used to meet them. He used to tell them that keep 3 things in mind, even if you can't remember everything. 3 things you should always remember. First, that you should always smile. No matter how difficult life is, keep smiling. It doesn't cost you anything to smile. And you'll remember that just a small smile will make the other person happy and make you also happy. Second thing always remember is to work hard. There is no compromise to hard work in life. So no matter what you do, if you don't work hard, no matter how intelligent you may be, in life there is no compromise to hard work. And third, and the most important, is keep praying. Because without the blessings from above, no matter what plans you have in your life, ultimately it is His plan that is going to work. So therefore keep praying, keep working,